Testing, testing. This thing on. Can you all hear me?
We'll be right back.
Well, that concludes my guided tour.
Get in the call on number.
Okay.
They're talking to each other. Hi guys. This is freaking awesome.
Yeah, it is.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Nub and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Polter.
house in the backyard.
New toys in the backyard? Welcome! I'd love to come down and shake your hands. Really, I just love to come down. For any reason.
I did down. Huh?
Welcome, new toys. Rick's here just added some pretty fine touches to it.
This Cuban is amazing. Where we eat at?
Like the Backlot Express.
The
It's
what?
just the Backlot Express. It's just a standard quick service. Chicken fingers, hamburgers, stuff like that.
Near the Indiana Jones thing.
And Star Tours. Star Tours is like right over there.
What do you mean you are doing all the work, you ungrateful little twit? I just about had enough of you.
Your attention, please. Galactic regulations state that all interplanetary travelers present a current passport and the necessary visas prior to leaving the spaceport. Passengers requiring assistance should visit the nearest spaceport information kiosk. Thank you.
Dzieciątki uzbrojeń dis na dół, uzkapaki są tak mój.
It's just another benefit of working for Rucker Transport Solutions, am I right?
So the last ride we rode was what?
The Millennium Falcon, Smuggler's Run.
Yeah, it was awesome. And it just stopped raining, so we're going to keep going around. So, yep. The masks are ridiculous.
Terrible.
It's all
Absolutely
sheep.
terrible.
It's just sheep. These people are brainwashed to think that it's going to stop a virus. And it's sad. But whatever. Oh my God, they're selling. Hey, that's smash. Where are we at?
We are at Oga's Cantina, the space bar on Galaxy's Edge, about 2.
Yep.
Okay.
Pretty sure we're going to end this video off here because my phone's fixing to die. But it was a great day in Hollywood
Studios.
Yep. And
oh, you can hit the peach.
this is an outer rim, they call it. Oh shit. She's got some gas.
Yeah, 50 pounds. Oh, now I feel the bug button.
That's good stuff. Make sure to like and subscribe. On the ride home on the Skyliner. Woohoo! We've been all lit. I am, at least. It's been a good day. There ain't a lot of people parked out there, is there?
Most people probably left when it stopped. No, look over that way.
Still ain't a lot.
Most people probably left when it stopped pouring.
Disney Skyliner and Disney's Hollywood Studios. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Epcot International Gateway, Disney's Pop Century Resort, and Disney's Art of Animation Resort.